Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial series. In this video tutorial, we're going to be discussing about doing some statistics on the data that we imported from the SQL dataset, which is like Iris dataset. I mean, this tutorial is all about like showing you guys how easy it is to perform statistical analysis on the data. So before we get into that one, I want to tell you guys that we have own new Facebook page. So you could just go ahead and like this page. I'll put the link to this page in the description of this video. In this Facebook page, I'll keep updating about the new video tutorials that I'm making uh, in this channel. So go ahead and like this video. Link will be in the description. Now let's go ahead and like start doing the statistics from these data that were imported from the Iris dataset. Data imported from the SQL and Iris dataset. Okay, so now we until the last video we just imported the data, imported the data from the internet and converted that into NP Numpy array and Pandas data frame. So now and then we printed them out. Now let's comment this print statement so we know how the data looks in Numpy array and also in Panda. Now let's go ahead and do the statistics. Uh, Statistic methods and functions that are available in the pandas data frame. So it's so simple to do some. Let's say you want to figure out the median of each and every. We have 4 features in this data set. So 4 columns and 150 data. So you just see how easy it is to do mean on those all 4 features. So print the name of the data on which you want to do the analysis dot mean. So you want to calculate the mean. So you have to specify whether it's numeric only or you have other categorical data in your data, frame. Numeric, Numeric, numeric only, which is equals true. So when you save this and print this out, so it's going to calculate the mean. Takes a bit of time. That's to process. So here we go. We have a typo. Numeric only. Let's also print this out. This thing stays there. Awesome. Save this in a file. So here we go. We got it. It's gonna snap up a finger. So these are all like features. Then this is the index. 150 values starts from 0. So 5 rows, 4 columns. So the mean for sepal length, mean for sepal width, mean for petal length, and mean for petal width. So it's calculated the mean for all these data. If you were to do the same in like some other programming language like Java, you have to like write a few lines of code to do that. So now we have done it in like single line of code. So now let's go ahead another line of code that's going to easily calculate the median for the same data set. So you type the date on which you want to perform the median operation. So median. So here also we have to specify whether it's numeric only or you have a categorical data. So save, specify. Here we go. We got median. And then let's go ahead and do some standard deviation. The same by writing another line of code. I'll just copy this and paste data frame. STD standard deviation Fi. Here we go, this is a standard deviation. So we calculated the standard deviation. So the next one we're gonna do range. How do you calculate range in, like, normally you have like five data in a set. So that's the range is obviously minimum value minus maximum value. So we're gonna just do the same here. Print 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 now hammer hard time printing print iris data frame dot max numeric only equals true minus iris. I'll just copy paste min numeric only true. Save this one, press F1. Here we go, we got. So it will go ahead and choose the minimum value in this one and then the maximum value, and then it takes a difference between those two values. That's the range. So that's what's done over here. So now let's do the percentile. Let's estimate the percentile for the numerical values that are numerical data that's over here. I use data frame. So print iris dot data frame dot quantile quantile. It's gonna take array np array. We want 0, 0.25, 0.50, 0.75, 1. Okay. So it's gonna calculate percentile for like up to 0 how many, up to 0.25 how many data are there, like up to 25th percentile. What's the 25th percentile? It's like cat, the exams that you do, calculate the percentile. Let's say you have a score between like 0 to 100, where 100 is the maximum, 0 is the minimum. So if most of the people have scored, like if the highest scorer is scored 50, then that's the 100th percentile. Out of 100, he scored 50. That's a highest score, so then he's 100 percentile. The middle person, the middle rank, he scored like 40, and that will be the 50th percentile. Even though it's 10 marks below the highest scorer, just 10 marks. So, but there are like a lot of people in between, scoring between 40 and 50. So, yeah, that's how the percentile is calculated. Save F5. Okay, we have an error over here. If we can't do it in this tutorial, we'll do the percentile calculation in our next video tutorial, but let's give it one more shot. Okay, I think we'll do that in the next video tutorial. What's wrong with this one? Okay guys, let's see how we do the percentile calculation in our next video tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any doubts, then comment below. If not, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and like the Facebook page. The link to that will be in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.